Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these dry rub chicken wings in the air fryer. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. If you know me, you know I love my air fryer. So let's make some chicken wings in the air fryer. I'm going to make a dry rub, enough dry rub for about 5 pounds of chicken wings, and then we're going to use half of it on about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, and we're going to cook them in our air fryer, and they're going to be crispy and delicious. So let's make our rub. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 cup of keto-friendly brown sugar, or any brown sugar. You don't have to use keto if you don't follow it. So I'm going to stir this up. And this is my basic dry rub recipe. It is fantastic. It's really good on ribs too, and chicken, for like barbecue chicken. So good. Well, duh, chicken wings. Putting it on chicken wings right now. So I'm going to make sure all of that brown sugar gets in there, mixed up really good. Okay, so now we've got our chicken wing pieces right here. I'm going to make sure that I pat them really good with a paper towel to get them as dry as I can. Just toss them around and get the liquid absorbed out of here. You can also put them on like a sheet tray and get them patted dry. And then make sure, if you get it all over your hands, to make sure you wash your hands. I'm also going to go ahead and start heating up my air fryer at 400. It doesn't take very long, just a few minutes for it to get hot. So now I'm going to put probably half of this rub on my wings. Make them really, really coated. Then I'm just going to toss them with my tongs. Get it all evenly distributed. These are so flavorful. Okay, these are ready for the air fryer. We've got our air fryer heated up. So I'm just going to dump these in. And they're going to cook for probably about 25 minutes. And we're going to want to toss them about every 5 minutes just to make sure they get evenly cooked. Okay, our wings are all done, nice and crispy. And look at that, they look so good. These took about 35-40 minutes. We made sure and shook them about 4 times. But I wanted to get them really, really nice and crispy. And that is what we did. So let's take a bite. Look at that beautiful chicken wing. All nice and crispy. Now all the fat has rendered out of the skin. Really, really good seasoning. Really, really good. So the next family gathering or party you have, you are definitely going to want to make these wings, and also you're going to want to make my $1 million cream cheese dip. If you're on YouTube, you can just click that box right there for the $1 million cream cheese dip. If you're on Facebook, you can go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for cream cheese dip, and you will find it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.